How are you today?
Very good, thank you.
What's your name?
Carol Atrella.
Carol, we did a hearing test on you last year. Tell me what happened.
I failed it miserably, and I got new for the year.
So you were surprised to get a hearing test at an eye doctor's
Very,
office.
but it was worth it because I really needed them.
What kind of problems were you having before that you didn't even notice?
People were mumbling, TV was too low.
And what's going on since you got the hearing aids?
People are talking right, and I don't have to ask to repeat everything.
So you're glad that we did the test on you?
Yes, I am.
Great. I'm glad everything worked out for you. Have a good holiday.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.